What's going on, action takers? Today we're going to be talking about things you could do to make cardio interesting. How's it going, guys? Dr. Tank PharmD here, board certified practicing pharmacist and personal health coach, helping you take control of your lives in a structured format. Now, before we begin, I have to say, although I am a practicing medicine specialist, I'm not your specialist. So if you have any questions about your condition, see your doctor. Let's get into it. So who's this video for? Well, if you've ever done cardio and realized it's not really that interesting to you, then maybe this video is for you. Or if you thought about ways to make cardio more interesting but can't figure out how, you're going to want to watch this video until the very end. Cardio is great for burning calories. You can use the elliptical, the treadmill, the exercise bike, or the rowing machine and burn off those extra calories you consumed. Or, if you want to just burn off some calories in frustration, it's great to vent. However, if you do this for hours on end, it can get very repetitive. Now, if you're the type that likes that repetition and want to zone out on your cardio, that's fine. For others, it's not the same. For me though, cardio can get boring if I do it hours on end. If I'm doing cardio on a machine, I need to keep it in short bursts. Otherwise, I need to find alternative means to entertain myself. The big mistake I see is that people do cardio as their only means of working out. When they do that, they find that cardio on a machine is very boring and repetitive. As a result, they give up working out altogether. So, you have to find alternative means of doing cardio to get your workout in. There are a lot of lifters who use high volume as their cardio workout. What this means is they use a lightened weight load and they do high reps. And not only does it help them burn calories, they use it as cardio and it helps them build muscle. You see this in a lot of CrossFit workouts. For those of us who are using machines, how do we make cardio interesting? Well, there are two approaches you could take to it. One, you can distract yourself, or two, you can provide motion. The first approach is to distract yourself while you're working out. You can put your TV in front of your workout machine. This is good for you because not only do you get to binge on your show or watch a movie, you also get to work out and get distracted. There are people who also enjoy audiobooks or podcasts while they work out. I've seen people who read while they work out, but I'm not able to do that because I'm not focused like that. The second approach you want to do is you can move around. Playing sports is a great way of providing yourself with cardio. There's basketball, football, volleyball, hockey, baseball, etc. You could also go on outdoor activities such as skiing, snowboarding, surfing. This is all cardio that helps you burn calories, and it's fun. If you can find a friend you could take with you, you could also bond over this time together and enjoy these sports. And if you take a friend with you, you could have someone to bond with and spend quality time with them. You could also take your cardio outside. So instead of biking on a machine, bike outside. Instead of running on a treadmill, go for a run outside. Or instead of rowing, you could paddleboard. This not only provides you with cardio, but you get to enjoy the sun as well. And if you can't possibly live without lifting weights, you can take your workout outside and incorporate strongman activities. These include farmer walks, suitcase carries, tire flips, and sled pulls. These outdoor activities provide an additional benefit that high rep volume does not. They provide you with the training of stability. The constant moving helps incorporate stability training into your workouts, which you don't get from just the volume workout. If you're having trouble incorporating these healthy lifestyle habits, click on the webinar below. Don't forget to click and subscribe, and until next time guys, stay healthy.